Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate YouTube Studio Analytics for channel growth, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate YouTube Studio Analytics for channel growth, begin by signing into your YouTube account. Navigate to the YouTube homepage. Click on your profile icon located in the top right corner. Select YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. Once in YouTube Studio, look for the left sidebar. Locate and click on Analytics in the sidebar. You will now see an overview of your channel's performance. To dig deeper, explore the different tabs available. The Overview tab provides a snapshot of your channel's performance. The Reach tab shows how viewers discover your content. Here, you'll find information on traffic sources and impressions. Next, visit the Engagement tab to check watch times and average view duration. This data helps you understand what content keeps viewers engaged. Then, access the Audience tab to learn about your viewers. This section reveals audience demographics and their return rates. Use this information to tailor your content strategy. You can also set specific date ranges for your analytics. Click on the Date Range selector in the top right corner. Adjust it to analyze performance over a custom time period. If you want to compare your performance, look for the comparison features. This allows you to see trends over time. Regularly monitoring your analytics will help identify successful content. Experiment with different video types based on your findings. By leveraging this data, you can optimize your channel for growth. Engaging with your analytics consistently will lead to informed decisions. This ultimately fosters your channel's long-term success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.